Hi everyone. Thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. I'm your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative is based on China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby products manufactured based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, export capability, and social responsibility to help you find out the most important business partner in China. Today, we're at Dongguan Lungcheong Factory of toys and baby products in a most famous hub in China to give you a deeper understanding of Certified Supplier. We're going to visit Lungcheong so you can get a better insight of what their capabilities are. Let's go in and check them out. The company was established in 2004. They specialize in intelligent toys such as electronic products, electronic robots, electronic remote controls, and educational robots. The company has a worldwide capability of exporting their products to North America, Europe, and other countries throughout. They have a long history providing excellent products that meets customer satisfaction. That's why they are a certified supplier. Right now, we're at the manufacturing production area of Lungcheong Factory. You can see they have a standard processing system and a strictly management system that allows them to produce OEM, ODM, and OBM products. They have a working area over 30,000 square meters that allows their employees to produce, assemble, and quality control all of their products that can be exported on the worldwide market. This is a great standard to have when you're a certified supplier with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. So as we take a panoramic view of the workspace, you can see the details that the staff puts in on their production lines. Here we are now at the Lungcheong showroom. As a certified supplier, attach great importance to product safety and aim at bringing out products with superior quality at competitive prices. All products comply with international safety standards such as EN71 or ASTM F963. Here I have with me my friend, Mr. Sheik, the General Manager of Lungcheong, who's going to better help us understand.
Welcome to Lungcheong.
Look, Mr. Sheik, let me ask you this.
Yes.
Now, I know your company has a long history, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
56 years.
Yeah, and you specialize in robotic cars.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yes.
But you have so many products here that is a bigger range than the robotic cars.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about these special products that you have?
Wow, actually you can see this kind of a series of the products. This is how to say, very simple but very creative. For example, using the vibration, and then you can see the products running by themselves. Very simple, very creative, and the kids like this kind of construction set. They can build their space for themselves, whatever they want. For example, you can see when they're running around, you can see you can open here, and then let them go up to the step or whatever.
Okay.
So they can build their dream space area.
Now, with this type of product, what type of quality that you put into, what are the type of standards that you adhere to for this type of product and as well as other products?
Wow, actually, I believe for toys business, this is a very complicated product, okay? Then the safety is the most key part, because we don't want any a child, they are being hurt when they pay the products. So from the design scratch, we already have our quality assurance people get involved. When you design the products, we already think about no matter what, to make sure that all child is happy.
Here we are at QC Laboratory of Dongguan Factory. As a certified supplier, Lungcheong Digital Technology controls its products quality in line with international quality management system so that overseas buyers can be worry-free of their sourcing their products. As a matter of fact, over here you have the laboratory accreditation certificate of Lungcheong. And right now we're actually in one of the areas where they're actually doing the product testing, the life cycle testing of the products here. So you have this magnificent toy here of the robotic man on a motorcycle, a tricycle, actually. I actually know the name of that piece of equipment there. And you have here, which is very interesting, name is Milwaukee, but it's actually a Bluetooth player. As part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, it's important that the companies maintain the international standards so they can maintain quality of those good goods. Here you have an individual who's actually testing the attachment and detachment of the products that they provide to their customers, making sure that it meets all those standards. Now, you have a lot of other tests that are being performed here. You have over here, you call the compression test, impact test. You have the drop test area here, as well as the function test, electrical performance test area, and the impact. I said the impact test, but again, the impact test area. So here at Lungcheong, they have the very international standards that they maintain when they're testing their products. And that's good to have as far as the Certified Supplier Initiative that's part of China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. Okay, we're here at Lungcheong's Design and R&D section. This company has the capability of putting out hundreds of products every year based on their design and their R&D research. For example, you have employees here that are making 3D renditions of the up-and-coming new products that they provide. Now, with that type of level of knowledge and technical ability and skills, of course they have all types of certifications. Some of the certifications that they have achieved is the ICTI Ethical Toy Program, as well as the ISO 9000-2015 certification, as well as the Record of Participation, and to include a certificate from the Work Safety Standards of China. So here, with the quality that they provide and the superior craftsmanship and workmanship of their product, it's important that they continue to be part of the China Toy and Juvenile Product Association as a certified supplier. Social responsibility is another important criteria of certified suppliers. We're here mainly to evaluate how companies take care of their employees and implement ethical working practices. Lungcheong operates with the BSCI and ICTI standards. They provide efforts to taking care of their employees. Let's take a look at their living area. Okay, as you can see, Lungcheong provides a gymnasium for their employees to work out, which is good for their health and keep their body strong and mentally prepared for whatever today's tasks are. So this is very important that they have provide these type of facilities for their employees where they can come in, work out, keep their body strong, and keep healthy. Another aspect of Lungcheong's caring for their employees, they have 2 canteens, which at any time can feed at least 1,000 employees. So it's important that they provide them with a nutritious meal on a daily basis to keep their body healthy as part of their social responsibility. So as you can see around the canteen, people are coming to eat right now, but it'll be filled up pretty soon, so don't let it fool you. People enjoy the meal here, and it's something great that Lungcheong provides to their employees. 2 canteens that can feed 1,000 people at one time.